Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Is everything clear? Is video and audio, is everything clear? चलो, how are you all? कैसे बच्चे लोग? Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. अनुज, सोहान, तस्सु, ओमकार, आदर्श, सुधाकर, सूरज गारू, निनाद, निकिता, अनन्या, दिलीप. गुड आफ्टरनून. खाना खाया? लंच हो गया रे बाबू, लंच हो गया क्या? गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. So we are going to have the MSQ series. I think you know the schedule. Tomorrow unit conversion, tomorrow day after tomorrow session, unit conversion tips and tricks. Today MSQ series, and again बाद में we'll have MSQ series. It's a continuous session लगेगा. Our primary target for GATE 2023 aspirants, 2023 GATE aspirants के लिए students must be best in solving MSQs. Students must be capable of solving units, unit conversion tips. So हमारा पहले चीज है, वो टारगेट है MSQ सीरीज एंड यूनिट कन्वर्शन. अरे डीजे गारू आ गया. डीजे गारू कैसे आप? चलो, बैकग्राउंड नॉइस आ रहा है? एनीवन गेटिंग नॉइस? एनीवन गेटिंग नॉइस? प्रणाम प्रणाम प्रणाम. चलो, so now today's session is related to open channel flow MSQ question. Because open channel flow is the most toughest subject for most of the students. I would like to make it easy for you. Okay guys, so we have started a new batch for GATE 2024. और आपका अनअकैडमी लाइट टेस्ट सीरीज लेना चाहिए तो हमारा यूनिवर्सल कोड Kpcivil यूज करो. 10% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा आपको. 499 द बेस्ट क्वेश्चंस क्यूरेटेड बाय टॉप एजुकेटर्स ऑफ अनअकैडमी आपको मिल जाएगा. सो AIMT ऑल इंडिया मॉक टेस्ट फॉर GATE 2023 ऑलरेडी December 4 में एग्जाम हो गया और एक एग्जाम मिलेगा आपको December 18 में हो जाएगा. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चंस. एक क्लास कब तक हो जाएगा? खत्म होने के तक हो जाएगा. क्लास खत्म होने के तक हो जाएगा. गुड साइकट गार. Why no external energy is imposed? When no external energy is imposed means there is no pushing force and no additional extra energy. Only water's internal energy is there. Only water's internal energy is there. Which of the following statements would be true? Energy line always falls in the direction of flow. Energy line always falls in the direction of flow. फ्लो कहां से कहां ट्रैवल करेगा? ठीक है, पहले आप आंसर दो. डन. एयर कंडीशनर चाहिए निकिता आपको? अंशु गारू AB, निकिता AC, बाला AC. हर एक आदमी को AC चाहिए. सिर्फ अंशु गारू बोल रहे AB. अरे बहुत गर्मी नहीं था ना, विंटर था, ये ठंडा लग रहा है, एसी कैसा चाहिए आपको? So flow always travel from higher head to lower head na. Flow always travel from higher head to lower head. So when it is started with an energy like this, it will fall down because energy is consumed. दिस इज इवन. इधर से जर्नी शुरू किया अंशु कुमार गारू, इधर तक ट्रैवल करने का थोड़ा एनर्जी यूटिलाइज हो जाएगा ना. सो ही इज स्टार्टेड विथ एन एनर्जी 100 कैलोरी 500 कैलोरीज and to finish this distance he consumed some 100 कैलोरी. सो इधर आने के बाद एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगा? 400 कैलोरी हो जाएगा. सो 400 कैलोरी एनर्जी कम हो जाएगा. सो ऐसा चलने के बाद भी और कम हो जाएगा. सो ऑलवेज इट इज फ्रॉम हायर एनर्जी हेड टू लोअर एनर्जी हेड. फ्लो ऑलवेज ट्रैवल फ्रॉम हायर एनर्जी हेड टू लो एनर्जी हेड. सो दैट एनर्जी लाइन ऑलवेज फॉल्स इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो. ट्रू. It is true, no doubt, that is true. Hydraulic gradient line never rises in the direction of flow. HGL का बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेडियंट लाइन इज HGL, इनका बारे में बात करेगा. क्या हो गया हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेडियंट लाइन को? दिस इज द फ्लो ट्रैवलिंग, सडनली विड्थ कंट्रैक्ट हो गया, विड्थ कम हो गया. दिस इज विड्थ इनिशियल विड्थ B1, दिस इज इनिशियल विड्थ B2. अब हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेडियंट रेज लाइन रेज हो जाएगा नहीं हो जाएगा? हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेडियंट लाइन इंक्रीज हो जाएगा नहीं हो जाएगा? बताओ. हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेडियंट लाइन इज अ फ्लो डेप्थ. इट इज अ फ्लो डेप्थ लाइन. हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेडियंट लाइन इज अ फ्लो डेप्थ लाइन. Flow depth line, free surface line. So y increases na when B decreases. When B decreases, y increases na. So in the direction of flow. So it is wrong. They are saying never. Hydraulic gradient line never rises in the direction of flow. So it is possible in a contraction condition. When it is flowing in a open channel with decreased depth, increased hydraulic gradient line rises up. Same it is happened with respect to pipe diameter also. In a pipe diameter also same it will happen. So it is wrong. Then specific energy may increase or decrease. True, na? Specific energy may increase or decrease in the direction of flow. Yes. Specific energy when channel bed dropped, energy increases. Channel bed dropped. देखो, channel bed drop, canal fall. Channel bed drop हो गया, canal fall हो गया, energy increases. Channel bed rise. Hump bump केस बात किया ना, energy decreases. हम्प बम्प केस हम बात किया ना, एनर्जी डिक्रीजेस. चलो, ए एंड सी करेक्ट. एनर्जी लाइन एंड हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेडियंट लाइन कैन क्रॉस ईच अदर. अरे क्या बोल रहे हैं? नेवर ना. एनर्जी लाइन, टोटल एनर्जी लाइन इज ऑलवेज अबव. दिस इज TEL. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर टेकिंग दिस इज TEL. पानी कहां से चल रहे? पानी इधर से चल रहे. This is HGL. How it will cross? Never cross each other. Total energy line and hydraulic gradient line कभी भी क्रॉस नहीं हो जाएगा. Never they will cross. So this is also wrong. B and D wrong. Answer क्या हो गया? AC. AC. आंसर AC. अंशु गारू समझ आ गया बी का बारे में? अंशु गारू. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following equation is/R used in analysis of hydraulic jump in gradually varied flow? क्या है आंसर? विराल भैया नमस्कार, कैसे आप विराल भैया? AC, BA, AC, 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 AB, ओंकार भाकरे, बाला डिफरेंट आंसर दे रहे. ओंकार भाकरे एंड बाला डिफरेंट आंसर दे रहे. एवरीवन सेइंग अगेन एयर कंडीशनर. विराल भैया ये बात सुनो, आपको कुंभकर्ण मालूम था? हाँ, कुंभकर्ण. आप भी ऐसा हो गया, कुंभकर्ण जैसा हो गया. सोने वाला खाने वाला, बस ये सोने वाला खाने वाला, बस इनका ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं था. कुंभकर्ण. Which of the following is used in the analysis of hydraulic jump in gradually varied flow? GVF. In gradually varied flow. Please understand this. Good. Onkar is good and some other student, Bala. Only two people correct. Only two people correct. Onkar and Bala. Only these two people correct. Good. Continuity equation and energy equation. They have used the word hydraulic jump, but they are talking about GVF, gradually varied flow. Then A and B. If they are using the word hydraulic jump simply and writing RVF, A and C. समझ आ रहा है? Even no flow condition given, A and C. Just hydraulic jump given, A and C. Hydraulic jump in rapidly varied flow given, A and C. But hydraulic jump in gradually varied flow, A and B. Continuity equation and energy equation for gradually varied flow. Continuity equation and momentum equation for rapidly varied flow. समझ आ रहा है अभी? Good afternoon, Naveen Jagadishan. हाँ, that is why they are giving twist ना. Hydraulic jump happened, but it is a low. Gradually change happen. बहुत ज्यादा टाइम के बाद हो जाएगा. साई कट. Now it started after very long distance jump हो गया. It's a gradually varied flow. Good afternoon, Snehlata. चलो. Consider the following statements. पहले आप बताओ आंसर. Then we'll talk about it. Rapidly varied flow में continuity equation, momentum equation. तस्सु भाई, rapidly varied flow में continuity equation, momentum equation. Gradually varied flow में continuity equation, energy equation. So tell me what is the answer? Again AB, AC. AB. Good. Everyone saying AB. In an open channel flow, energy gradient line is obtained by adding datum head, pressure head, velocity head. That is only formula, na? E is equal to P by rho g plus Z plus V square by 2g. Any doubt इनका बारे में? P by rho g plus Z plus V square by 2g. Yes. Previously only written, na? Hydraulic gradient line is a free surface itself. Check this one. HGL, not here. Somewhere I have written, yes. HGL, flow depth line, and FS. FS is free surface. HGL, flow depth line, and free surface. So true. For a pipe and a open channel source of source dimension. For a pipe and open channel of whose dimension? Source का dimension. पाइप का डायमेंशन डिफरेंट था, ओपन चैनल का डायमेंशन डिफरेंट था. ये इनका बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे, सोर्स डायमेंशन का बारे में बात कर रहे. मींस यू आर मेकिंग ए पाइप with respect to source dimension, you are making a open channel with respect to source dimension. Then hydraulic gradient line HGL located at the same height above datum. Hydraulic gradient line HGL located at the same height above datum. Yes, both pipe and open channel flow, if they are designed for pipe and OCF, if they have been designed for source dimension. Pipe and open channel flow, if they have been designed for source dimension. Same HGL will exist at same location above datum. They are talking above datum, please understand. Above the datum, both will show same. Now, energy gradient line of open channel flow is always horizontal. No, na? Energy gradient line is like this. Sloping line, energy gradient line always sloping line. Yes or no? Energy gradient line is a sloping line. Na? So that what is the answer? ABC. ABC. E is wrong. ABC. Yes, for pipe Nikita and Anshu, for pipe HGL is located above free surface line. Understand that. But we are talking with respect to source, not with respect to pipe, not with respect to open channel. We are talking with respect to source, not with respect to pipe and not with respect to open channel. समझ आ रहा है? अरे सोर्स डायमेंशन मीन्स आपका सोर्स रिजर्वायर होगा, इनका डायमेंशन से पाइप डिजाइन करो. आपका सोर्स लेक होगा, इनका डायमेंशन से पाइप डिजाइन करो. सो बेस्ड अपॉन द सोर्स डायमेंशन, you are designing the pipe, you are designing the open channel. So based on it, flow is traveling. Na? समझ आ रहे विराल चौधरी? So ये इनका आंसर बताओ. Tell me the answer regarding it. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू मिस्ड नॉट? अरे नॉट करेक्ट बोल रहे, करेक्ट नहीं था रे बाबू. नॉट करेक्ट बोल रहे बाबू, नॉट करेक्ट. अरे डीजे गारू एक बार देखो ना, एक बार देखो. नॉट करेक्ट पूछ रहे, करेक्ट नहीं था. क्रिस्टल क्लियर बोलेगा, क्रिस्टल क्लियर. देर आस्किंग फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट क्या है, फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट क्या है डीजे गारू? स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी इज मैक्सिमम फॉर ए गिवन डिस्चार्ज. नो ना, specific energy is minimum for a given discharge. चश्मा लगा दो प्लीज, पुट स्पेट्स. नॉट मिस होगा, 1.33 मार्क्स बंद हो जाएगा. स्पेसिफिक फोर्स इज मैक्सिमम फॉर ए गिवन डिस्चार्ज, दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. So 1 and 2 are wrong, not correct. What are not correct? 1 and 2 not correct. Discharge is maximum for given specific force. Discharge is maximum for given specific energy. Discharge is maximum for a given specific force. Discharge is maximum for a given specific energy. 3 and 4 correct. So not correct is 1 and 2. बताओ, आंसर बताओ देख के. Which of the following statements are true? Now true only. डीजे गारू फॉल्स नहीं था, ट्रू ओनली ले लो. ट्रू ओनली, ट्रू. ABCD 2 3 4. Two 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. Limit slope is the one which has highest critical slope for given channel shape and roughness. For a given channel slope and roughness, what is limit slope? Limit slope is lowest critical slope. Lowest critical slope. Wrong na? Limit slope is lowest critical slope. It is not highest critical slope. Critical slope is 1 when the flow at fraud number 1 along the channel. So FR is equal to 1, critical slope will come, critical flow will come. Critical flow na FR is equal to 1, critical flow हो जाएगा. Critical flow. Second one is correct. Second one is correct. Adverse slope is an example of non-sustaining slope. Adverse slope में yn is equal to infinity. Is it sustainable? yn is undefined ना, infinity बोल रहे आप. yn is infinity बोल रहे. yn infinity बोलने के बाद it is undefined condition. Undefined is non-sustaining slope. Non-sustaining slope. Horizontal slope is an example for. Again horizontal slope and adverse slope दोनों सेम चीज है ना. both are showing yn infinity undefined. Yn infinity undefined na both. Please understand, adverse slope and horizontal slope both are showing yn infinity undefined. So both are non-sustaining. Both non-sustaining only. So that as horizontal is given sustaining, galat. So what is the answer now? 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Just it is a statement unsure. The lowest slope at a critical condition is called limit slope. When there is a critical flow exists, whatever the value of lowest slope, that is called limit slope. When a critical flow exists, whatever the value of lowest slope exists, that is called limit slope. Yes, correct Ninad. Sustaining hoga limited value. Uniform flow depth is having a specific limited value. We can define yn. If you say it is infinity undefined होगा ना, undefined. हाँ, ये सॉल्व करो न्यूमेरिकल. ये न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करो. सॉल्व करने के बाद आंसर बता दो. अरे सॉल्व करने के बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. इतना जल्दी आपको आंसर कैसा मिलेगा रे विराल भैया? हा, बताओ बाबा. दिस मच फास्ट हाउ यू कैन गेट द आंसर? इंस्टिंक्ट. आपका इंस्टिंक्ट को बताओ. गेट एग्जाम में भी ऐसा आंसर दे दो. जल्दी जल्दी इंस्टिंक्ट से अच्छे से करेक्ट आंसर दे दो एग्जाम में भी. Conjugate depth for hydraulic jump. Y1 0.5, Y2 2 meter. Which of the following related to it are correct? Flow rate for the channel. Y1, Y2 given na? We use the formula 2q square by g is equal to 2q square by g is equal to y1 y2 y1 plus y2. 2q square by 9.81 is equal to 0.5 into 2, 0.5 plus 2. What is Q? Q वैल्यू क्या है रे बाबा? Q वैल्यू क्या है? .46 meter cube per second per meter, but they have given for capital Q. Only they have given meter cube per second na. Information is provided only meter cube per second. क्या करेगा अभी? अब क्या करेगा हम? Information is given only meter cube per second. हाँ, इफ इट इज पर मीटर होगा करेक्ट हो जाएगा. नो यू कांट एज्यूम ना. You can't assume in a question. If it is a numerical, you want to give a one answer, you can assume. But in a specific MSQ theoretical question, they clearly written flow rate. They have not written flow rate per unit width. They have not mentioned a flow rate per unit width. They have written only flow rate. You can't assume it. So one is wrong. One is wrong. Critical depth of flow 1.07. YC क्या है? YC 3.5 square by 9.81 whole power 1 by 3. Q square by G whole power 1 by 3. Arey, directly you take now, already you got Q. Ninad. Directly you got Q. Q square by G whole power 1 by 3. What you are getting? Okay, 3.46, 3.47, 3.5, no problem. अरे बाबा, इतना परेशान करेगा? आपका इंस्टिंक्ट से पूछो विराल, आपका इंस्टिंक्ट से पूछो ना. वाई 3.5 केम 1.076 मीटर, 1.076 मीटर. True, this is correct. B. Energy loss due to hydraulic jump. Delta E y2 minus y1 whole cube upon 4 y1 y2. y2 minus y1 whole cube upon 4 y1 y2. .84. Aditya. So this is also true. Post jump fraud number is 1.73. Post jump fraud number y1 by y2 0.5 by 2 is equal to half into -1 plus under the root 1 plus 8 FR2 square. Y1 by Y2 is equal to 0.5 by 2 is equal to half into -1 plus under the root 1 plus 8 FR2 square. FR2 क्या है? FR2 post jump value 3.16. post jump value 3.16 आ रहा है क्या? 2.49. y2 by y1 is equal to 2 by 0.5 1 by 2 -1 plus 1 plus 8 FR1 square. FR1 क्या है? FR1 बताओ. प्री जंप. प्री जंप क्या रे बाबू? FR1 3.16, FR2 0.39. This one simple ratio of sequent depth. So always you take higher maximum by minimum. Maximum by minimum ले लो. So what is the answer here? How a numerical question converted into MSQ? समझ आ रहा है आपको? How a numerical question converted into MSQ? BC हो गया, चलो. The numerical वाला converted to MSQ. Which of the below factors will cause gradually varied flow? What are the factors given here out of the given factors which will cause GVF? Out of the given factors which will cause GVF. ABCD 1 2 4 ABCD BC ABCD ABCD చెప్పండి अंशु గారు आपका आंसर चाहिए हमको स्नेहलता ABCD दिलीप ABCD विराल कॉपी निकिता ABD all BD ABD ABCD the change in shape and size of the channel cross section true change in shape and size of the channel cross section again if this is true this is also true slope of channel yes there is an obstruction this is the obstruction during the flow देखो एक बार एक obstruction आ गया फ्लो ग्रेजुअली वेरी हो जाएगा रेज हो जाएगा ग्रेजुअली ट्रू दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू चेंज इन फ्रिक्शनल फोर्सेस यस फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स एट द बाउंड्री चेंज होने के बाद भी हो जाएगा सो ऑल ABCD all are responsible to cause gradually varied flow. All size, shape, slope, frictional force and obstruction during the flow all will cause gradually varied flow. अरे when I ask the answer अंशु गारू नहीं आएगा. When I say the answer and explanation is coming he say okay के बोल रहे. Consider the following statements regarding gradually varied flow in a prismatic open channel. Consider the following statements regarding gradually varied flow in a prismatic open channel. Which of the statements are correct? Which of the statements are correct? BD, AB, BD, BD, AD, BD, again AD, total energy line remains parallel to water surface. Total energy line remains parallel to water surface. Depth changes from section to section. As the depth changes from section to section, how total energy line is parallel to water surface? Remains always not possible. Total energy line remains parallel to water surface, not possible, as depth from one section to other section changes out. Rate of energy loss at the section is inversely proportional to dx, where d is the flow depth with index x. Yes, true only. Rate of energy loss at section is inversely proportional to dx, flow depth with index x. Analyzing flow, energy equation is important ना, not applicable बोल रहे हो. Energy equation of flow is important, very important. To analyze flow in a open channel, energy equation is must. It is very important. Not applicable there, wrong. So that is wrong. Not cut karo, ये wrong हो गया. Pressure distribution at every section can be assumed to be hydrostatic. Yes. Any equation you take, hydraulic jump equation, gradually varied flow dynamic equation, whatever equations you are deriving in open channel flow, हर एक जगह में हम प्रेशर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ले लिया. कैसा? हाइड्रोस्टैटिक. बी एंड डी समझ आ रहा है? बी एंड डी. रेट ऑफ एनर्जी लॉस का बारे में बात कर रहे हो. सो डी बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एस नॉट माइनस एस एफ. You are not at all considering about rate. You are considering only energy loss. Anshu, you are taking energy loss. They are talking rate of energy loss. Rate of energy loss is inversely proportional to dx. D is not distance traveled. D is flow depth. फ्लो डेप्थ बोल रहे. D is flow depth बोल रहे ना. D is not x. You are taking distance traveled, horizontal distance. They are saying flow depth. This is flow depth. This is called flow depth and this is vertical distance. आप कैसा ले लिया? आप horizontal distance से ले लिया. You have taken it as a horizontal distance. It is not a horizontal distance. It is a vertical distance flow depth. Dx is a horizontal distance. Dx is a horizontal distance. This is given as per dx, as per the question. This is vertical distance. According to this statement, it is a flow depth. In that equation, that is horizontal distance. And you check in our notes, it is there written very clearly. निनाद गारू flow depth and energy loss relation बहुत अच्छे से लिख दिया. एक बार देखो. Good Nikita, keep going Nikita, good. Yes, Aditya, x is very greater because you are taking an index value. Flow depth will be greater. Consider the following statement regarding specific energy of open channel. Specific energy of open channel. There is only one specific energy curve for a given channel. No, na? There is only one specific energy curve for a given discharge. One discharge value have one specific energy curve. Throughout the channel there are several discharge values, several specific energy curves. So only one not possible. If you are saying for a given discharge, that is correct. Alternate depths are the depths of flow at which a specific energy is the same. True. Even equal to E2 at which depths, that is called alternate depths. We have shown in the graph also. Very clearly we have shown in the graph also. So alternate depths y1, y2. If you take this, this is y1, this is y2. Both carry same energy E, same specific energy. True. Critical flow occurs when the specific energy is minimum. हाँ, specific energy minimum में critical flow हो जाएगा ना. Same graph. Same graph. This is minimum critical energy, minimum specific energy, E minimum. What is the depth here? Depth at this point is critical depth, critical flow condition. True. Sequent depths are found to be causing at the same specific force, are represented by, can you identify in specific energy curve conjugate depth or sequent depth? Can you show? Specific energy curve में conjugate depth आएगा, alternate depth आएगा. स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी कर्व में अल्टरनेट डेप्थ आएगा. ये नहीं आएगा ना, सीक्वेंट डेप्थ नहीं आएगा ना. निनाद गारू समझ आ रहा है आपको? बी एंड सी. बी एंड सी समझ आ रहा है? क्लियर एवरीवन? विल मूव ऑन नाउ. Which of the following are false? False directly given, don't worry. Wrong statement need to identify. Wrong statement need to identify. Please tell me what is wrong. Manning's formula is preferred than Cheji as it was simple. Yes, 100%. Manning's is simple. Is Manning's is simple? Please tell me, is Manning's is simple? This is Manning. Cheji. Which is simple for you? Which is simple among Cheji and Manning? Which is simple for Cheji and Manning? When you compare the formula, Cheji is simple. But for N, but for C you are using Cutter's equation. अब बताओ which is simple? Which is simple? फॉर सी यू आर यूजिंग कटर्स इक्वेशन. मैनिंग्स इजी हो गया, चेजी इजी हो गया आपको. मैनिंग इजी हो गया, चेजी इजी हो गया. दैट इज द रीजन. नॉट बेस्ड ऑन दिस, based on equations to derive n and c. Based on equations to derive n and c, we have given Manning's is simple. Derived from experimental data, true. Derived from experimental data, true. The flow at which specific energy is minimum. Minimum na? Critical flow. So it is false. Manning's n for lined channels is higher than unlined. Array. Manning's n is more for rough channel. Rough channel is unlined. So it is false. Na? Rough channel hoga, n zyada hoga because n is a roughness coefficient. N is a roughness coefficient. Velocity at free surface of open channel is maximum. Is velocity at free surface is maximum? Velocity at free surface is maximum. No. 0.05 to 0.25 डेप्थ में मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा. एट फ्री सरफेस में मैक्सिमम नहीं था. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. आंसर इज BCD. I think you understand the depth of open channel flow MSQs. Yes, same like that. Yes, same like that, Ninad garu, same like that. So आपको इतना डेप्थ होना चाहिए ओपन चैनल फ्लो में. मल्टीपल सेलेक्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए इतना डेप्थ होना चाहिए आपको. सो टुमारो व्हाट वी हैव, यूनिट कन्वर्शन टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स. कल हो जाएगा इनका बारे में. यूनिट कन्वर्शन टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स सेम टाइम 2 PM यूट्यूब में हो जाएगा. 2 PM यूट्यूब में हो जाएगा. एंड दोज हु आर न्यू स्टूडेंट्स वांट टू ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम चैनल, सो ज्वाइन दिस टेलीग्राम चैनल KPSR स्टूडेंट्स. एंड आपको अनअकैडमी सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना चाहिए तो हमारा यूनिवर्सल कोड यूज करो Kpcivil. Kpcivil is the universal code to take any subscription Unacademy में. Okay guys, anything more? Yes, YouTube में. One option correct not possible, MCQ. If it is only one option correct, MCQ. All 4 options, all 3 option, 2 option, that is MSQ. More than one option is MSQ. Yes, PDF you will get, don't worry. PDF you will get. साई कट गारू सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो, ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करेगा. Kpcivil यूज करके सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में ऐड करेगा साई कट गारू. बाय बाय.